Hello viewers, welcome to Factspedia. Today we will discuss about zodiac signs. There are 12 zodiac signs, each divided into 12 months and 4 elements, each with their own personality, nature and characteristics. We are all familiar with the characteristics of persons born under each zodiac sign and the degree of compatibility between the signs. So here are a few facts that may surprise you. Number 1. Aries, March 21 to April 19. Aries is the most energetic of the zodiac signs and it is controlled by Mars. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac because it welcomes spring. They are extremely organized and are motivated, confident and enthusiastic, yet they are so irritable, moody and impetuous. Did you know that Aries is the sign with the highest risk of accidents out of all the zodiac signs? Some famous Aries personalities are Emma Watson, Lady Gaga, Ajay Devgan, etc. Number 2. Taurus, April 20 to May 20. People born under this sign are believed to be practical, grounded, and trustworthy. They are ruled by Venus, the planet of love and creativity. They appreciate the hard work and are responsible, yet they can also be stubborn and possessive. Famous Taurians include William Shakespeare, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, etc. Number 3. Gemini, May 19 to June 20. Mercury, the planet of communication, is considered to dominate Gemini. Geminis are more artistic in nature since they have open minds and are more expressive. They enjoy being around people and reading. Morgan Freeman, Marilyn Monroe, Angelina Jolie, Clint Eastwood are indeed Geminis. Number 4. Cancer, June 21 to July 22. The moon is supposed to dominate Cancer, and its phases produce riddles and erratic behavior in those born under this sign. Cancers are gloomy, temperamental, and manipulative. Yet they are also creative and loyal. They are impatient and don't want to divulge too much information about themselves. Some famous Cancerians are Ariana Grande, Tom Cruise, Katrina Kaif, etc. Number 5. Leo, July 23 to August 23. The sun rules Leo, and people born under this sign are described as passionate, enthusiastic, and amusing, as well as arrogant, selfish, and stubborn, because they are dominating and persuasive. Leos are thought to be natural leaders. A lion symbolizes Leo, which is famed for its bravery. Leos enjoy being the center of attention and are known for being showy. Famous Leos include Jennifer Lopez, Madonna, Barack Obama, Shawn Mendes, and many more. Number 6 is Virgo, August 23 to 22 September. Mercury rules Virgo, and persons born under this sign are known for their excellent communication skills. Virgo is the disgruntled god who came to aid humanity but got jaded by her failure to promote justice and purity, eventually withdrawing and becoming judgmental and critical for others. As a result, persons born under this sign are likely to be harsh with themselves and others. They value discipline and cleanliness and hard work. Some famous Virgos are Beyoncé and Michael Jackson. Next is number 7, Libra, September 23 to October 22. Venus, the goddess of beauty, is the ruler of Libra. Diplomatic, harmonic, polite are characteristics of those born under this sign, yet they can also be indecisive because they despise confrontation. They rarely speak for themselves and are easily treated as doormats. They despise being alone and are extremely caring and loving. They prefer balance, justice, and equality and are very cooperative. Some famous Libra personalities are Will Smith, Bruno Mars, Lily Singh, etc. Number 8 is Scorpio, October 23 to November 21. Scorpio is unique, and several planets are thought to pass through Scorpio during the year. Scorpios are known for their protective, loyal, and daring nature, as well as their possessiveness and secrecy. The numerous versions of Scorpio are seen to be ideal lovers because of their charm, magnetism, and passion. Some of the famous Scorpions are Shah Rukh Khan, Leonardo DiCaprio, Emma Stone, etc. Number 9. Sagittarius, November 22 to December 21. Jupiter, the largest planet in the zodiac, is Sagittarius' ruling planet, which may explain why people born under this sign are generally larger than life. They are bursting with energy and zeal in all they do, including curiosity and sense of humor. This sign's natives are natural extroverts, have an open mind, yet they can also be restless. Some famous Sagittarians are Taylor Swift and Bruce Lee. Number 10. Capricorn, December 22 to January 19. Capricorns are ruled by Saturn, the responsible planet, and they have a strong sense of duty, maturity, and discipline. Individuals born under these signs are known for being stubborn and unforgiving, as well as responsible, family-oriented, and skilled artisans. They are realistic and have tremendous self-control, yet they may also be chilly and distant. Some of the famous Capricorn personalities are Zayn Malik, Jeff Bezos, Hrithik Roshan, Stan Lee, Deepika Padukone, etc. Number 11. Aquarius, January 20 to February 18. Uranus, the planet that rules Aquarius, is a shy planet that can also be brusque and forceful at times. They are also thought to have a prophetic character, with person born under this sign capable of foresight and long-term planning. Aquarians are sometimes misunderstood as insensitive because they struggle with emotional expression. Some famous Aquarius are Harry Styles, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ed Sheeran, Jennifer Aniston, etc. Number 12. Pisces, February 19 to March 20. Considering Pisces is controlled by Neptune, persons born under this sign are more likely to express musical interest early in life. Jupiter, the planet that governs higher thought, is also its ruler. Those born under this sign are known for their compassion, faithfulness, and loving. They are considered to be the most tolerant of all the signs, as they are smart, non-judgmental, and forgiving. Famous Pisceans include Justin Bieber, Albert Einstein, Amir Khan, Rihanna, Shraddha Kapoor, and many more. That's a wrap on this video. We'll be back with more such facts soon. Thank you so much for watching.